Suspension trainer squat side. Kick is a powerful lower body and core exercise that combines a squat with a lateral leg kick, using the suspension trainer for stability and added resistance. It targets both strength and balance while engaging multiple muscle groups. How to suspension trainer squat side kick. 1. Set up. Face the anchor point and hold both suspension handles with arms slightly bent. Step back slightly so the straps are taut but not pulling you forward. Feet shoulder width apart, core braced. 2. Squat phase. Lower into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Keep chest lifted, weight mostly on heels, knees tracking over toes. 3. Side kick phase. As you rise from the squat, shift your weight onto one leg. Extend the opposite leg out to the side in a controlled side kick motion. Keep toes pointing forward or slightly up, not down. Return the leg to the ground. 4. Repeat. Alternate legs or complete all reps on one side before switching. Maintain steady tension on the suspension straps for balance. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.